Get a feel for the 2022 Porsche Cayenne. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This exquisitely engineered Cayenne delivers superb driving dynamics, sports car athleticism, and SUV versatility. Make the most of every adventure in this capable crossover with an unmistakable motorsport soul. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, dual zone AC. Feel the joy of the drive in this exhilarating Cayenne. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.